Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 9:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:43 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located near Bighorn, or 18 miles east of Gila Bend, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gila Bend, Australia, Freeman, Bighorn, Gila Bend Auxiliary Field, Bosque, Sonoran National Monument, Kaka, Action Village, and Mobile. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 117 and 154. Arizona Route 238 between mile markers 1 and 37. Arizona Route 85 between mile markers 3 and 6, in between mile markers 120 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in standard time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal.
It went off again? Double? What?
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 12:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:43 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Significant runoff into the coal wash is expected or ongoing. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Freeman. This includes the following streams and drainages: Vico Wash, Kohatk Wash, Kaka Wash, and Waterman Wash. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal. The severe thunderstorm